Okay, Kiara. You lead the hunt.
You girls ready? I'm ready if you are, Kiara. You're our leader. Can we just get this over with? Come on, Zuri. Focus. Kiara's gonna be so impressed with how I hunt those gazelles. Just wait till she sees what a trekkie tracker and bouncy bouncer I can be. Yeah, that ought to wow her. Ooh, Queen Nala's looking. Act all excited and hunterish. Growl! Oh, do I seriously have to hunt with those two?
Tifu and Zuri? Sure. They're my sister's best friends. They're like family.